All right, so we were able, okay, so standard orange, standard change maker. So we're able to take the motherboard over here, put it over here, and we kept all the cables the same color, everything the same, but everything that's blue came from this unit here. So now put the money in again. If it makes the money, that we know the motherboard's good. Go ahead. Another money. Money again. Okay. So now we know the motherboard's good. Because this one is mechanically good. So now we're going to take this guy and connect it to that one over here and see, because we know this motherboard's good.
Oh,
So if it doesn't work, then we know something wrong inside here.
okay.
So if they want to sell you something, you would only set this one in